Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to For Love Running. If you're new to my channel, my name's Luke and I film a lot of running related content. So this morning I have come out to the original. I have come out to the OG of parkruns in South Australia, which is the Torrens parkrun. So yeah, it's the first parkrun in South Australia that was to kick off. So really exciting. It is in the CBD of Adelaide, so it runs right along the Torrens Trail. You see the beautiful sights of Adelaide as you do it. So yeah, really excited to get in, get stuck in, have a crack, have a good run, basically. And the courses are real straightforward, out and back, so you know that's one of my favorite courses because it is pretty hard to get lost. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm going to crack on with a bit of a warm-up. You were there to take it all. You poured it out into the ocean, 'cause you can't keep it when I fall. Yeah, when I fall.